Hi everyone, welcome back. First of all, let me apologise to all those people who left comments that I haven't been able to get back to. We've decided to move, to sell house up sticks and move, and we've been desperately trying to get the house ready for sale, which we're there now, but we're now in the position of having to live in a show home for the next few weeks, hopefully, until it's sold. So I promise I will get round. And the lady that asked me about the cutter, I bought a 28mm one, but I will answer your question. I will go back in tonight and put a link to the one I bought so you can have a look at it. Right, I am here today. I've got a new Digi kit which I've been playing around with, and I've put it on Etsy, so it's just a quick flick through the pages. It's another collage kit because, if I'm honest, I really like collages. So I've put one together on paper. So there are 7 main pages, 2 backing pages, and then some ephemera. So if I run through them, I've got, right, if I start with the main ones. Oh. So we have number 1. They're all on the same sort of graph paper at the back. And yeah, it combines everything I like, which is a collage and flowers. So that's the first one. Then we have number 2. It was called a blue kiss, and that's predominantly what it is, but there are, I suppose really I should describe it as a bluish kit. And that one is number 3. That's why there's 7, because I've put photos on these two. A couple of ladies that look very good. There was going to be 6, but I decided to leave this one in. It's a little different, but I actually really liked it. Right, that's my cat. Let me just get rid of my cat. Oh, my life, it's all going on this morning. Number 4. So, common themes are number 4. So, common themes are obviously the flowers, dragonflies, butterflies, and they all go with a blue kit. Actually, they would all go with a pink kit. One is, I've completely lost count now. The cat has completely thrown me off. The next one, I like irises, I have to admit. Number 7. Nice bright ones. Right, now this is a backing page, so this is lined, so lines on it, on this one. Again with the collage elements. And this is the other backing page. This one's got the graph paper, but it's still infinitely writable on. Again with the collage elements on it. And then we come on to ephemera. So we have 4 good sized pockets on that one, keeping with the collage theme. Envelopes, so that one is, well, they're both large envelopes. So once folded up, that will be like that. And then folded down, the top will have the butterfly on it. That one, and then I've also put a plain one in if you want to add your own collage elements to it, bits of lace, whatever. I think that's what I plan to do with it. And then there are a couple of large, 4 large tags on that one. Nice and bright. I've also put in, these are just shy of ATC size, these 4 cards. I tend to use these as pockets, I have to admit, but they're also very usable to clip on pages, to clip onto the side of an envelope, or whatever you want to do with them. There are lots and lots of possibilities with this one. Right, so there we go. I will put a link below to the Etsy listing. So apologies for not replying, my cat walking through the middle of the video, and my husband walking in also through the middle of the video. So if the editing is a bit jumpy, that is why. Right, I think I've done all that. So thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you all later. Take care.